the trees? You're
Sorry?
selling these trees, or you?
No, I never sold. I mean, many years ago, we sold lots. We haven't done that in a long time.
Uh-huh.
The trouble is, it's hard to find somebody who's honest
Yes.
when they take your logs out. Half the time, they steal them.